Good afternoon, listeners. How are you today in your part of the world? My camera is focused at a cheddar cheese and broccoli quiche just removed from the oven. I'm outdoors near my strawberry patch. No strawberries. Not in February. But I thought it might be fun to share my thoughts while pointing my camera at this quiche. My thought about cooking this quiche is, if you are concerned about burning the crust, just cover the entire quiche during the cooking process with foil. This is the outcome. I am very happy with the outcome. So I'm going inside in a few minutes to practice, focusing on sight reading. Wish you were here. Be well. Thank you for listening. I could not be happier with this outcome. The eggs are cooked to perfection. The pie crust is not burned. 40 minutes in the oven at 325, covered with foil. 3 years, dear friends, to learn to make a decent quiche. One without a burned crust, the eggs cooked to perfection. There's no bacon in this quiche, just broccoli, pre-cooked, and shredded cheddar cheese. Seasoned to taste. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.